How to transfer from Wazirx to Binance. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer from Wazirx to Binance in very less fees. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open the Wazirx app. Then once you're on the app, you have to go to your funds. So tap on funds in the bottom right corner. And here you will see all of your funds. So now what you have to do is you have to sell all of your cryptocurrencies and then you have to buy XLM. So you have to buy this XLM cryptocurrency. You have to buy this Stellar XLM. So after you sell all of your cryptocurrencies and buy XLM, now what you have to do is tap on XLM. Then here tap on withdraw in the bottom right, and now you have to go to your Binance app. So open Binance app. Now here go to wallets in the bottom right corner. Then here tap on deposit, and here in the search bar top search for XLM. You have to open this XLM Stellar Lumens. Then here you have to select Stellar Network, and from here you have to copy your wallet address. So to copy your wallet address, tap on this copy and the address will be copied to your clipboard. Now go back to Wazirx and here in destination address paste that address. And now go back to Binance. Here scroll down and here in XLM memo copy this. So now go back to Wazirx and here in memo paste that. Now here you have to enter the XLM amount you want to send to your Binance. So here you will see all of the XLM you have in your wallet. I have 80 XLMs. So for test I will send 10 XLM, and the fees to send 10 XLM will be 0.05 XLM. So 0.05 XLM converts to $0.01 US, and most of my viewers are from India, so I will also convert this to Indian rupees. So 0.05 XLM means 0.45 rupees, that 45 Indian paisa. So the fees is very less. It's like almost no fees. Anyone can afford these fees. So the thing is that if you send 10 XLMs or even 1000, the fees will be only 0.05 XLM. So now for example I will send 10 XLMs. Then here after entering the amount, tap on remarks and you can write anything you want. Then here you will see how much XLM you will receive in your Binance, and then here you have to check this. I humbly confirm that I am withdrawing these crypto assets either to my own crypto wallet or to a third party Indian resident crypto wallet without any consideration in return. So then after checking this, tap on proceed. Here slide this to confirm, and here you have to enter the OTP. So if you get OTP on your phone number, enter it here. If you get the OTP in the Google authentication app, copy and paste it here. So let me copy my OTP and paste it. Then after pasting or entering here the OTP, tap on authenticate. Now Wazirx will send a approval email. So go to your email. Wazirx will send an email like this: confirm your withdrawal request. So open this email, scroll down and tap on approve this withdrawal. So after you tap on approve this withdrawal, your withdrawal verification will be successfully completed. Now go to Wazirx, tap on OK, and here I have refreshed the feed and you can see here it is showing processing withdrawal. So for me, I have done 2 test withdrawals. It took me for first withdrawal 20 minutes and then for second withdrawal only 1 minute. The withdrawal process depends on how many people are using the XLM network. So if many people are using, the withdrawal process will take time. It can take from anywhere for 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So after the withdrawal process is completed, go to your Binance and go to your wallet. After the transfer of XLM is completed, you will see here the notification of that transfers. So if you tap on it, you will see all of the information of the transfer. As I said, it will take from around 1 minute to an hour to complete the transaction. Now after the transaction is completed, if you want to convert your XLM into any other cryptocurrency without any fees, what you have to do is that tap on home in the bottom left corner here. Then from here tap on more. Now here scroll down and in trade you will see convert. Tap on it. Here select XLM and enter how many XLMs you want to convert. Then here select the cryptocurrency to which you want to convert your XLM to. So I am converting my XLM to BTC, so I have here selected BTC. To select any other cryptocurrency, tap on here, and from here you can select or you can search here the cryptocurrency you want to convert. Then you just have to tap on preview conversion. It will cost no fees to transfer. So tap on convert and my XLMs are converted to BTC. You can see my BTC amount. So this is how you can transfer cryptocurrencies from Wazirx to Binance with very less fees. Thanks for watching.